So let's just know about what is Airbnb rental arbitrage. Airbnb rental arbitrage is a strategy where you can rent a property and sublet it on Airbnb for profit by covering your rent quickly. The rest is potential profit. However, it's complex, involving costs like maintenance and following regulations. Success depends on market research and careful planning. To convince your landlord to accept Airbnb rental, emphasize these points. How do I convince my landlord to accept Airbnb? Number 1. Property care. You'll maintain the property well for positive guest reviews, ensuring it stays in the top conditions. Second, timely payments. Landlord will receive consistent on time rent payments for a reliable source. And then 3, reduced workload. You'll handle management, cleanliness and marketing, relieving the landlord from these tasks. Address concerns. Noise complaints. Mention tools like noise award to prevent disturbance and maintain peace. Insurance. Offer solutions like insure guest or safely for added coverage beyond standard platforms. List your first short-term rental arbitrage property. List on a major OTAs. Advertise on platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, Home2Go, etc. Multi-channel distribution. Employ multi-channel distribution for broad visibility and automated marketing. Boost occupancy. Wide distribution leads to lower vacancy rates, allowing you to raise rates when consistently booking 90% of available nights. A few tips on optimizing your listings. High quality photos. Use attractive photos of your property to catch potential guests' attention. Offer expected amenities. Provide the amenities guests typically look for. So this is how you can make money with Airbnb arbitrage. Thanks for watching.